What's up? Danny Heisak with Colony, helping people do their business better. We're standing in front of the Jabra booth at Enterprise Connect 2023 with Parker Dunbar, who's going to talk to us about the brand new Jabra Panicast Android video bar system. Parker, take it away.
Well, thanks very much, Danny. I appreciate that. So what we've got here, we've got the Panicast 50 video bar system. That's what you see on top. And that's our newest, latest, and greatest. So that takes the great video and audio experience of the Panicast 50 and it integrates that Android SoC so that you can have Teams Room or Zoom Room running natively on that Android compute. So you've got the bar, you've got two HDMI outputs in the back to connect to up to two displays. It even ships with the touch controller. That's included as well. You got Cat in there for easy installation. Now, we've also got the original Panicast 50 here. That's available on its own as a BYOD video bar, or it's available as part of the Lenovo ThinkSmart line so that you can have it as MDR or Zoom Room. It's available as a Crestron appliance as well. So you've got all kinds of options for different types of meeting spaces. All of those different devices, though, also include our whiteboarding capabilities, which are super cool. So if you've ever been in a meeting where you're joining remotely and the folks in the room get up and start writing on that whiteboard and you've got no idea what's going on, the Panicast 50 is going to solve that problem. We will let you define where that whiteboard is in the room. So as soon as someone gets up and starts writing on that whiteboard, one button on the remote or one button on your controller allows you to share that whiteboard out to remote participants in real time. So there's no delay. You don't have to wait. You get to be involved whether you're there in the room or joining remotely. Hopefully, if you're here at Enterprise Connect, you can stop by and see us. And if not, we look forward to connecting with you online or in person.
So now we are in front of this work from anywhere station. Javed Tufel is going to tell us all about it.
It's our brand new speakerphone with 65 millimeter speakers. It has noise cancellation and 4 beamforming microphones. With the richness of audio that Danny just tested, it's a brilliant experience that we deliver. It's our next generation beyond the 750 that Jabra had in the past has offered.
And then so you also see here, you got, my favorite, the Jabra Panicast 20, the Jabra Evolve 2 Buds, and also the brand new Jabra Evolve 2 65 Flex. And that's it, coming to you from the Jabra booth over at Enterprise Connect 2023.